Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of 1-2 Step. In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your USSA account. If you have also enrolled and if you also have an account of USSA, then in this video, let me show you how you can log into it. Now before I move on, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. To log into your account, you need to first open up the website, which is ussa.com. So search for this on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to its website. Now to log into your account, you'll see a login button on the top right. Once you click on it, you can see a login page. Now if you don't yet have an account, you can also register for one by clicking on register for access on the top right. But to log into your account, you need to type in the online ID that you created while you signed up. So firstly, type in your online ID and click on next. Once you do, this password box will open up where you'll need to type in the password. If you happen to forget your password, you can scroll down a bit and click on I need login help and then follow simple steps to recover either your online ID or your password as well. And lastly, if you want this device to remember you the next time you open up, you can check this box. And then just click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your USSA account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.